The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Calhoun County in central South Carolina, Lexington County in central South Carolina, northeastern Aiken County in central South Carolina, northern Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, southeastern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Laurel Hill to near Batesburg-Leesville, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbia, Lexington, West Columbia, Orangeburg, Casey, Batesburg-Leesville, McIntyre Air Base, Red Bank, Brookdale, Oak Grove, South Congaree, High Ridge, St. Matthews, Gaston, Eastover, Ellery, South Carolina State Fairgrounds, Congaree National Park, Hopkins, and Claflin College. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 18 and 57. Interstate 26 between mile markers 112 and 150. Interstate 77 between mile markers 0 and 9. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for